Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check the new stocks on the Cash app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics, my growth strategy and how I make money online. So let's jump into it. First you have to open the Cash app and here you will have to tap on this little arrow in the right side, and when you tap on it, this is the stocks trading opening page, and if you scroll a little bit down you will see the newly added stocks. So these are the stocks that are that have been added to the Cash app in the last period. So as you can see, there is Robinhood, Doximity, Didi, Centene, One, Monday.com, Victoria's Secret. So there are quite a lot of interesting stock options here, a lot of new ones, smaller businesses and bigger ones, for example Dole. Yeah, so I would recommend you to check this out. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.